Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you step by step how to make this cover-up skirt. Let's get started. For this part, we will need two equal pieces, and that will be the front and the back. And on the fold, that's where we will cut further on. This is where you can use your measuring tape, or do what I did, is just grab the fabric and make sure it's not too long, but it will cover your shoes. After seeing this tip over and over in a few videos, I decided to incorporate it, and quite honestly, it did help for me to sew straight, and I would totally recommend it. Why I decided to incorporate the red thread was to help me with the gathering. You hold on to the red thread and then you pull gently on your fabric, making sure you have a wonderful gathering. At the end, you can space out your gathering to have a fuller looking cover up. Leave about an inch at both ends of the fabric that is not gathered. This will help us put the front and the back together. I ended up using a 2-inch ribbon, and I truly believe it's one of the better options because since it is a cover-up, you can just put it around your waist, tie a bow on it, and you're ready to go. The 1 inch of ungathered fabric is very important. We will place that at the fold of the ribbon. We will start sewing after that 1 inch, all the way until the marking. Here is the other inch that we left of ungathered fabric. This will be the front of our cover up and will also be where we will do our bow. After I had sewn my fabric, I turned it around just to see it, and I realized that I had done it wrong, and so I had to redo it again. When you are sewing your fabric to your ribbon, make sure it's right side up as it is shown here, and that way you don't do the same mistake I did. This is where we will sew the front to the 1 inch of ungathered fabric that we had left. We will sew from the top all the way to the bottom, but we will not sew it onto the ribbon yet. As you can see here, both our front and our back have been sewn together, but not onto the waistband. To sew the front to the waistband, we will start where we left off in the back. We will sew straight onto that 1 inch of ungathered fabric and stop there. Sewing a hem on the bottom of your cover-up is very important because this fabric is very delicate and it will fray. No sewing is needed at the front as the fabric will not fray at this point. It really did turn out beautiful. I was amazed at how beautiful it was. I had so much fun making it. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video. If you do make it, please leave a comment below so I know that these tips were helpful. And just a disclaimer, I am not a model, so it took a lot for me to decide to post myself modeling this, but here it is. Thanks for watching. If you liked this content, please give us a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.